In this video, you'll learn how to hide or unhide apps on your Samsung Galaxy Z TriFold. So all you need to do is simply open up Settings and then scroll and select Home Screen. From Home Screen, scroll down until you find Hide Apps on Home and App Screens. Select that. From here, simply go ahead and choose the app or apps that you wish to hide. As you can see, whenever you select an app, you can see it being added to this hidden apps section. And this is just confirmation that you've actually chosen that app to be hidden. If you accidentally select something and you want to remove it from that hidden apps section, simply look for this minus button and tap on it like so. Once you've tapped on it, it will be removed from the hidden apps section, and you can go ahead and select the one you originally wanted. Once you've successfully chosen the app or apps that you wish to hide, simply tap on Done to save the changes. Now, when you go to your home screen or you go to your apps drawer, you should see the apps have been successfully hidden. If you want to unhide them, just go ahead and navigate back to Settings and then select Home Screen, Hide Apps on Home and App Screens, and then tap on the minus buttons to remove them from the menu. Once you've removed them from the menu, select Done to save the changes, and when you navigate back, you should be able to see the apps have been successfully unhidden. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.